Hey guys, it's Mike from Risko Music. Please follow us for the latest in gear reviews and musical instruction. We're going to talk about relative tuning on the guitar. Relative tuning is where you tune the guitar to itself without the use of a tuner. So in my book A and book 1, we've got instructions on how to do that. We have a nice diagram here and then instructions below. So all you need to know really is the names of your open strings. So we start on our low E string. We go to the 5th fret. So I count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That note is A. I play the A. The next string open should sound the same. There's the A on the 6th string. Here's the open 5th string. Sounds pretty much the same. That means we're in tune. If the A string was out of tune, I just made it lower. We take a listen now. I play the A on the E string. So it's lower. So what I do is I have to remember this note. I bring it up until it sounds pretty much the same. Now that the A string is in tune, I play the 5th fret note on the A string, which happens to be the note D, and the next string open, D, the 4th string should sound the same. And I keep going across. Now I play the 5th fret on the D string. That's a G. The G string is the 3rd string, should sound the same. Which it does. I make adjustments if I need to. Now when you tune the B string, you go back to the 4th fret on the G. So now I go 4th fret on G, that's the note B. The 2nd string should sound the same. Alright, I make whatever adjustments I have to. And then I go to the 5th fret on the B string, and the high E should sound the same. That's the note E there. Okay, again, if I make it lower, I will make my guitar out of tune. I just made it lower. If I play the E on the B string on the 5th fret, the open E 1st string should sound the same, and it doesn't. So I bring it up. Now they pretty much sound the same, so now if I play a chord, and that's relative tuning. See you next time.